Hello and welcome to February 2024. This is Trick Hunter. Today I'll share my monthly breakdown showing the kind of earnings a beginner in stock photography can expect. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and click subscribe for more content. Now let's dive right in. 123 RF. This month I sold 2 photos, which is always encouraging. The first earned 21 cents, and this is a close-up of a wheel rim from a beautifully restored vintage car at a 1970s classic car show. I really enjoy capturing details like this because they highlight the unique charm and craftsmanship of classic vehicles. The second photo sold for 22 cents and features a panoramic view of a wind turbine power plant on a forested hill at sunrise. Shots like this appeal to buyers interested in the blend of nature and clean energy technology. Overall, I made 43 cents from 123 RF this month. Next up is Dreamstime. This month I sold 2 photos there. The first one earned 24 cents and this is an AI generated image of an Olympic torch set against the backdrop of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. It's interesting to see AI created content making its way into stock sales. The second photo, which sold twice for a total of 70 cents, is a drone shot capturing a winter scene over a regional park in France. The image shows a snow-covered road with 3 cars driving along the asphalt, giving a peaceful seasonal vibe. All in all, Dreamstime brought me 94 cents this month. While the amounts are small, every sale contributes to the overall earnings and encourage me to keep uploading. Moving on to Wirestock. Although I don't upload very often here, I still make some sales each month. This month, the first photo sold was of pear in a wooden crate, earning 29 cents. Then a single shot of 90° apples sold for 85 cents. And another photo from the same series showing a mix of rotten and good apples in a wooden crate sold for $2.16. In total, Wirestock brought me $3.30 this month. Motion Array. Now let me share the top performing videos on Motion Array this month. For those who don't know, Motion Array is a popular stock platform focused on videos, templates and music, widely used by creatives. The first video showed an irrigation system working in an agricultural field, demonstrating efficient water distribution for sustainable farming. The second video captures a TGV train crossing a viaduct and entering a tunnel in southern France during sunset, with warm golden light and cinematic shot, ideal for travel or a transport themes. As I mentioned every month, on Motion Array, you never really know how much each photo or video sold for, as they use their own internal calculation system that isn't available to contributors. Still, I keep adding new content regularly, hoping that the variety of clips and photos will bring in more downloads over time. In total, Motion Array brought me $10 this month. Shutterstock. This month I made 23 sales, 3 videos and 20 photos. Photo sales were modest, with most images earnings between 10 and 30 cents each, but a very small sale contributes toward the total and helps keep the portfolio active. Let's move to the top selling photos. The first one is a shot of the red orange earth at Colorado Provençal in Rastral, Provence, sold for $46. This former orange quarry is known for its vibrant red and orange landscapes that resemble canyons. The second one is a photo of Château du Crussol, located near Valence in Saint-Péray, earned 82 cents. This medieval castle ruins overlooks the Rhone Valley, offering dramatic views and strong architectural presence, one of the most reliable sellers in my portfolio. Let's move to the top performing videos now. The first one is a stunning drone clip of the Rhone River capturing a peaceful passenger boat smoothly gliding through lush green forest bathed in soft morning light. The serene atmosphere and natural beauty make this footage ideal for projects focused on nature, travel, or relaxation. This video sold for $1. The next one, a beautiful drone flyover of a solar panel farm during sunset, showcasing rows and photovoltaic panels reflecting warm golden hue as the sun dips below the horizon. This clip highlights renewable energy and sustainability themes, which continue to attract strong interest. It earns $1.58. And the last one, the biggest earner this month, was a dynamic drone shot of a TGV high-speed train as it speeds across a viaduct and enters a tunnel in southern France at sunset. The combination of cutting-edge technology, iconic French infrastructure, and the warm cinematic lighting makes this video a favorite for buyers interested in transport, innovation, or European landscapes. It's brought in $5.40. Shutterstock brought me $11.22 this month. Now let's move on to GettyImages iStock. This month there were a total of 16 photos downloads, with one photo downloaded twice. Most sales come through iStock subscription, but there were also some from GettyImages Premium Access, though not many. For videos, there were 12 downloads this month, including one Monaco panorama video that was downloaded twice. Moving on to the top earnings photos this month. 3 photos each sold for $1.60. The first is a photo of the surrounding forest along the Rhone River in southern France, taken at sunset with beautiful warm colors. The second is a panoramic drone shot of one of France's oldest village, Mirmont, with the Croix nuclear power plant visible in the distance and captured at sunset. The third is a panorama of a wind farm on a hill in autumn with mist rising between the mountains in the background. This was the last photo to sell for a higher amount. The first video is a sunset shot of the peaks and mountains around Col de la Bataille in the Vercors Massif, which sold for $1.85. Next is a night video of the Notre Dame de Fourvière Basilica in Lyon, beautifully lit against the city panorama, sold for $2.33. This basilica is one of Lyon's most iconic landmarks, located on Fourvière Hill and known for its neo-Romanesque and Byzantine architecture, as well as spectacular views on the city. The highest earning video this month was a drone flight over the TGV high-speed train viaduct, with the train passing over the bridge and entering a tunnel with the Vercors mountain range visible in the background. This clip earned $4.13. Altogether, GettyImages and iStock brought me $21.42 this month. Now let's talk about Alamy. This month I had just one sale here, but it turned out to be a strong one. Aerial view of the massive Doulestrel and red cliffs falling into the Mediterranean Sea on the French Riviera Côte d'Azur, sold for $33. That's the great thing about Alamy. Even with few downloads, the payout per sale is usually much higher compared to other platforms. With this single sale, Alamy takes the number 2 spot for February. It's a good reminder that even one well-placed image can make a noticeable difference in monthly earnings. In total, Alamy brought me $33. Now let's move on to my best performing stock agency, Adobe Stock. In February, I sold a total of 162 assets, including 4 videos, 28 photos, and 130 AI-generated illustrations. Weekly earnings were fairly stable, ranging between $18 and $35 per week. As for my top downloads, the best day was February 1st, when 28 assets were downloaded in a single day. The day with the highest earning was February 21st, with $13.91 earned in one day. The only day without any earnings was February 3rd, with 0 downloads. The first photo is of a wine farm located on a forested hill, captured in the crisp autumn season. The morning fog gently waves through the hills, creating a picturesque and atmospheric scene that highlights the blend of nature and renewable energy technology. This image sold for $2.80. Next is a stunning drone shot of a hydroelectric dam taken during sunset. The warm golden light reflects beautifully on the water and surrounding landscape, emphasizing the scale and importance of sustainable energy infrastructure. This photo brought in $3.10. Another notable photo features the German flag set against a backdrop of cracked dry earth. The contrast between the vibrant flag colors and the harsh arid ground creates a powerful image that can evoke themes related to climate change or national identity. This photo sold for $3.45. One illustration depicts a small lake surrounded by palm trees in the middle of a vast desert at sunset. The warm hue of the setting sun above the sun is a golden light, creating a surreal yet peaceful atmosphere. This illustration sold 5 times, earning a total of $6.45. Another popular illustration shows an athlete running under the iconic Eiffel Tower. This image is themed around the 2024 Paris Olympics and captured the spirit of athleticism and global competition against recognizable landmarks. It was sold 9 times, generating $8.80 in total. The best-selling illustration this month shows a colorful sprinter with paint splashes in the background. The bright colors and movement make it exciting and full of energy. It sold 7 times and earned $11.19. The first video is a drone flyover of a vineyard field nestled in the French Alps during sunset. The soft warm lights cast long shadows across the rows of grape vines, highlighting the natural beauty and agricultural heritage of the region. This footage sold for $5.40. Next is an aerial view of the Grange hydroelectric dam near Saint-Étienne, captured in a snowy winter setting. The cold climate combined with the impressive dam infrastructure offers a unique perspective on energy production in challenging environments. This video also sold for $5.40. The top-selling video is a panoramic drone shot of the Château de Croussol ruins near Valence in Saint-Péray. This footage combined the historic charm of the medieval castle with the breathtaking panorama of the surrounding landscapes. It sold for $8.40. And now let's finish with a quick summary of February 2024. Adobe Stock was my top performing agency this month, bringing in $130.98 from 162 downloads, the highest number across all platforms. Alamy was a pleasant surprise this month, earning $33 from a single sale. GettyImages and Shutterstock stayed steady, usually taking the second and third spot in my monthly earnings. In total, I earned $211.29 this month from 309 downloaded assets. Comparing this to February 2023, when I earned $109.95, this year total is nearly 100 more, a solid improvement. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it up a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.